Okay guys, so I'm hoping this is clear. Doesn't really look like it is. I'm using a different camera to record this one. So I just wanted you guys to see what condition the dresser and stuff is in. This is the reason why I decided to paint it, because it's been banged up. Like this piece right here, the piece that I'm talking about, and then the nightstand over here, it has been like gone through it, and so I just wanted to change it. And this is what the bed is looking like so far. But this dresser right here is in good condition too. So it was two pieces that was in great condition, and then two pieces that were in mediocre condition. And so I know a lot of people were saying don't paint it if it's real wood, but this is my rationale, and so far I'm liking the way it's turning out. So I just wanted you guys to see some of what the room looks like before. Don't mind all the mess, because as you know, when you're painting, you're taking stuff out of drawers and everything. And here's all the stuff that's going to be in the room when it's completely finished. And I know you guys seen this mirror. You're not going to believe it, but this mirror was bought for like $35 from a private homeowner, and so I love it. And it's going to go right here. But right now I'm just taking off I'm taking off these things right here, and I'm also removing the drawerware, because it's going to be totally different drawerware up here when I finish. And as y'all know, that these pieces right here was voted to be painted gold, so I have them off to the side to be painted with gold. And I'm either going to use spray paint, which I know I shouldn't because it's not a furniture paint, or I'm going to use Tony's paint to paint it in her metallic gold. So all of the bed has the two coats on it, with the exception of the post. And I decided to paint these fans right here gold, and I'm going to place one or two, maybe two or three down here on the bottom of the bed, and then one right in the center of the headboard. So that's where I'm at. And this rocking chair was my granddaughter's. I know you can't see it, when she was first born, so I'm going to reupholstery it and add some pillows to it and call it a day. So yeah, so I just wanted you guys to see where I was at with this. And I do have to say one thing about the Annie Sloan's chalk paint right here. They say it's one coat coverage, but actually you have, if you don't prime, you have to use two coats. But it tells you that you don't have to do anything but just paint, and one coat will do it. But that's not the case. You have to prime, or you're going to use two coats, and that one can only did the bed and one coat of the poles. So this video is going to be in pieces, because as I finish a part or want to come back and tell you guys something, I will. So until next time, I talk to you real soon. Love you guys. So I've taken all the hardware off of the tall dresser, and now you can see how it was right here. So that's, I know I could have restained it, but, and then over here I wanted to show you guys the steps I took to fill in the holes. So this one right here, I painted it before I realized that I needed it to fill in the holes. But this was the first step. It's all hard, and you feel all the roughness in it. And then this right here is what it looks like after I've used the sander to sand it out. Still have some rough spots around here. And this is the final look of them. As you can see, they're all even, it's smooth, and the same grit on this as I used on this, but I just used my hand to go around it. And this one still feels, this one feels really smooth, like a continuous. And this one has just a little bit more rays in it. Now it's smooth. So I'll do this whole process with this one. And then, as you can see, I've primed the nightstand. And I'm probably going to go over it again. And then we'll be ready to paint. So now I am getting ready to sand the big dresser and fill in these holes and let it dry overnight. And then I'm not going to sand tonight. I'm just filling the holes, and then I'll sand everything tomorrow. But I just finished up the nightstand and the nightstand drawers. Okay, I'm going to try to hold this camera and fill in one of these holes for you guys so you can see how easy it is. I got a little bit of the wood filler, and you just put it over the spot. Really easy. And then I go in, oops, I'm sorry, get the extra up, put it back up there, and go back again. Get that. And then tomorrow I'll buff it all out. So I just want to show you guys that right quick. Okay guys, so I finished the nightstand, all except for putting the knobs on, and I'm getting ready to do the big reveal of the knobs. Knobs right here, and as I said, they came off the Wish app, and I think they are gorgeous. They just glisten, and this is the reason why I have so much light over here. That's the reason why I got the lamp from the Goodwill. And I'm doing what I should have did here that I should have did over there. I'm getting ready to pre-drill the holes for the knobs now. See, as you can see, I'm changing it from 2 knobs to 1 right in the middle. I have all the drawers to the big dressers finished, all except for putting the handles on. And now I'm moving on to the dresser itself. And this is why I was telling you I really wanted to do a makeover, because over the years accidentally sitting stuff up here that has oils in it or prolonged water has caused some damage, and this is the reason why I am making it over. And plugged up in here, and I'll be working on this tomorrow. So until the reveal, bye bye. I started putting it together, and those designer piece that was on the dressers, I put there. I'm putting one. Ooh, you're not gonna be able to see it when the pillow's on, but I put one on the headboard in the middle, and you know I still got to put the thing right there. And then I decided to put, don't mind the clothes, I still got to put those away, but I decided to put either 1 or 3 right down here at the foot of the bed. So you'll see at the final reveal, but it's coming together. And I'm gonna take these pictures, the tall ones, not the small ones, but I'm gonna take the tall ones and I'm going to paint the frames gold. So I'm going to do that tonight so I can put them up on the wall in the morning. So tomorrow you should have the big reveal of the room. Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. And it's been a journey with the gold and white room, but we're finally finished. So let's see the reveal. This is an overview of the white and gold room. So now we're going to go around just to see everything. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye-bye.